How to cash out refinance to a DSCR loan and why this strategy is the secret weapon for real estate investors who want to scale fast without getting trapped by traditional bank requirements. I'm Eli, the DSCR Pro, and if you have got equity locked in rental property but the bank wants 2-year tax returns, pay stubs, and your firstborn child just to access your own money, this video is for you. Today we are talking about how to cash out refinance to a DSCR loan to unlock trapped equity. Find your next deal and keep your portfolio growing even when traditional lenders say not. Let's get into it. What is a DSCR cash out refinance? First, let's get clear on what we are talking about. DSCR stands for debt service coverage ratio. Instead of looking at your income, your W-2s, tax returns, or pay stubs, the lender looks at the property's income. Here's the formula. Take the property's rental income divided by the monthly debt obligation, which is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and you get a ratio. If that ratio is 1 or higher, the property pays for itself, and that is all the lender cares about. Why does this matter for cash out refinance? Because when you cash out with a DSCR loan, you are not explaining what you make. You're showing what the property makes. This is powerful for so many people. For example, self-employed professionals whose tax returns show more write-ups than actual income. Full-time investors who don't have a traditional W-2 job. People who inherit money and bought a rental property but don't have high earned income. Settlement or lawsuits winners who used a windfall to invest in real estate but can't show consistent employment income on paper. Anyone with cash who bought a property outright but now wants to pull equity out to fund the next deal. If you have the cash or equity but your tax returns don't tell the whole story, DSCR loans level the playing field. 3 smart ways people use DSCR cash out refinance. Let me walk you through 3 real-world scenarios where this strategy becomes a game changer. Scenario number 1, recouping your rehab cash with the BRRRR method. You have probably heard of the BRRRR strategy: buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. It is one of the most effective ways to scale in real estate investing, especially for beginners who want to recycle their capital. Here's how it works with a DSCR cash out refinance. Let's say you buy a distressed duplex in Newark, New Jersey for $200,000 cash. You put $50,000 into renovations. Now the property appraises for $325,000 and you have got it rented for $3,200 a month. With most traditional lenders, you would need to wait 6 to 12 months before you could refinance and pull your money back out.
Oh, no.
But with certain DSCR lenders I work with, there is no seasoning requirement. You can refinance 30 days after purchase.
That's cool.
At 75% loan to value, you pull out $243,750. You have recovered your entire $250,000 investment minus $6,250. And you still own a cash flowing asset. That is how real estate investing builds wealth. You turn 1 deal into 2, 2 into 4, and so on. Scenario number 2, paying off expensive hard money or private loans. Maybe you used hard money to acquire a property fast. Hard money is great for speed. You can close in days, but the interest rate's 10 to 12%, sometimes higher. That eats into your cash flow. Here's a real sample. An investor I work with in Westchester County bought a single family home using a private lender at 11% interest. After renovations, the home was worth $450,000 and the rental income was strong. But that 11% loan was killing his monthly cash flow. We refinanced him into a DSCR loan at 7.5% with a 30-year fixed term. Monthly payment dropped by nearly $800. Suddenly, a break-even property became a cash cow. And because we are not looking at his personal income, just the property's performance, the process was smooth and fast. If you are sitting on an expensive bridge financing, this is your exit strategy. Scenario number 3, funding improvements to increase rent or value. Let's say you already own a rental property and you want to increase its value or boost the rent. Maybe the kitchen is outdated or you want to add a bathroom or finish a basement to create create an extra room. A DSCR Cash Out Refinance lets you tap into your equity to fund those improvements without providing personal income. And here's the kicker. If those improvements increase the property's rental income, you are improving your debt service coverage ratio at the same time. I had a client in Fairfield, Connecticut who owned a small multifamily. She pulled out $60,000 via DSCR Cash Out Refi, renovated 2 units, and raised the rent by $500 per unit per month. That extra $1,000 a month not only paid for the slightly higher mortgage, it boosted her cash flow and her property's appraised value for the next refinance. That is strategic and smart investing.
Wow.
DSCR Cash Out Refinance guidelines you need to know. Let me give you the tactical details so you know exactly what to expect. Loan amounts, we can go up to 2.5 million, sometimes 3 million, depending on the property and the lender. Loan to value, most lenders allow up to 75% LTV for cash out refinances. Some will go to 80%, but expect stricter terms and fewer lenders options at that level. Stick to 75% if you want the best rates and flexibility. Credit score, minimum is usually 640. We have worked with below 600 even. But honestly, if you are below 680, you're going to pay more interest rate. If you can get your score to 700 or above, especially over 740, you will unlock better terms and save thousands over the life of the loan. Reserves, you will need 3 to 6 months of reserves depending on the lender and your experience level. A reserve is just 1 month mortgage payment, PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. This isn't money you have to give the lender. It is a risk cushion they want to see in your accounts. And here's a pro tip. The cash you pull out from the refinance can often count towards those reserves. No income verification. This is the big one. No W-2s, no tax returns, no pay stubs. If you're self-employed or a full-time real estate investor, this is a lifeline. No seasoning. With some lenders I work with, you can cash out 30 days after you purchase. That is unheard of in conventional lending. Property types 1 to 4 units, residential properties, single family, duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, even non-warrantable condos in some cases. Short-term rentals, yes. Airbnb and VRBOs qualify. In fact, short-term rentals often have better debt service coverage ratios because the income is higher. Before we go further, stick with me until the end of this video because I am going to reveal the biggest mistake I see people make when trying to cash out refinance and how to avoid it. Interest-only options, the cash flow multiplier. One of my favorite features of DSCR loans is the interest-only payment option. Not every lender offers it, but when they do, it is cash flow game changer. Here is why. Let's say your monthly payment on a $300,000 loan at 7.5% is about $2,100 with principal and interest. With an interest-only option, that payment drops to $1,875. You're saving $225 a month, which might not sound like much, but multiply that across 10 property portfolios and you are taking $2,250 a month in extra cash flow. And remember, you can always pay more, but you can never pay less. The interest-only option gives you flexibility. If you have a great month, pay extra. If you have an unexpected expense, you have got breathing room. The biggest mistake people make and how to avoid it. Here it is. People take out too much cash and kill their debt service coverage ratio. Remember, DSCR loans are based on the property's ability to cover its debt. If you pull out so much cash that your new loan payment exceeds the rental income, the deal dies. Here's the rule. Always run the numbers before you refinance. Make sure the property rental income still covers the new mortgage payment at a ratio of at least 1, ideally 1.15 or higher. If it doesn't, either pull out less cash or find ways to increase the rent first. So let's recap. How to cash out refinance to a DSCR loan comes down to 3 things. Finding the right property with strong rental income, working with a lender who understands real estate investing, not just residential mortgages, and running the numbers to make sure your cash out still supports positive cash flow. Whether you're a self-employed professional looking to tap into equity, an investor executing the BRRRR method in Jersey City, someone who inherited property and wants to leverage it, or you are paying off hard money in Stamford, DSCR Cash Out Refinances give you the flexibility and speed to access your equity without the red tape of traditional lending. And remember, we lend nationwide. So whether you are in tri-state area or expanding to markets in Florida, Texas, or beyond, this strategy works. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to make the next step or just needs help figuring out the smartest financing for your next deal, call or text me. I will help you turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow with smart DSCR loan strategies.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR loan tips and tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize your cash flow.